Somewhere around 30, a lot of people get the same quiet, terrifying thought. Why does my own brain suddenly feel like it's running someone else's software? The novelty that used to thrill you goes flat. The all-nighter you pulled at 22 now costs you 3 days. And everyone acts like you got a manual you were never handed. Here's what nobody tells you. In late 2025, scientists mapped the brain's wiring across nearly 4,000 people, from birth to 90. They found the single biggest turning point in the entire human lifespan lands around age 32. Watch the one marked land at 32. That's when your brain finally shifts out of its long adolescent era and into adult mode. So, no, you are not malfunctioning. Your operating system is being rewritten, and there are 5 new rules. Miss them, and the decade feels like a slow breakdown. Learn them, and it becomes the best upgrade you'll ever get. See the 2 paths split from here. All one. Change is not the enemy, it's the schedule. Your 20s brain ran on raw speed and endless novelty. Your 30s brain is consolidating, trading horsepower for wiring. Marcus Aurelius saw this 2,000 years before the MRI. The universe, he wrote, loves nothing so much as to change the things that are. Stop mourning the season that ended. Move with the one you're in. Rule 2. You lose speed, but you gain depth. Psychologists call it fluid versus crystallized intelligence. Fluid, your raw processing and quick problem-solving, peaks in your early 20s and eases down from there. But crystallized, your vocabulary and hard-won judgment keeps climbing for decades. You didn't get slower for no reason. You're compounding. Seneca said, life is long enough if you invest it well. You are finally rich enough in experience to invest it. Rule 3. Novelty stops paying. The dopamine system that once rewarded every new thing dials down with age. See the novelty dial turned right down. The reward shifts from chasing more to going deep. Chasing new for its own sake feels emptier now because for your brain it is. So stop scattering yourself. Go deep on a few things that matter. That isn't settling, that's aim. The scattered arrows narrow to one deep well. Rule 4. Your emotions get a volume knob. Research on aging finds something people never expect. Emotional regulation tends to improve. Watch the hand ease that knob down. You react less, and you steer more. You are not going numb. You're gaining a governor. This is the whole Stoic project. Reason quietly taking the wheel from raw reaction, arriving right on schedule. Rule 5. The clock changes what you chase. As your sense of the future shortens, the mind reprioritizes. It turns from endless expansion toward meaning and the people who actually matter. Seneca's warning lands hardest here. It is not that we have a short time to live, he wrote, but that we waste much of it. So, the rewiring around 32. Depth replacing speed. Novelty losing its grip. The volume knob on your feelings. And a clock that finally points you at what matters. Your 20s brain was built to gather. Your 30s brain is built to choose. Read this decade as an upgrade, not a breakdown. That's all Stoicism ever did. It handed you the manual early enough to still use it. Chaos Stoic. Chaos to clarity.